Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. As you can see, we actually have some sun in the area right now, and the last time I used my Desert Armor air compressor, that video, was just testing. I haven't actually had any real world reasons to use it until now anyway. And winter hit right after that, and it's been just a horrible winter, both physically and just our winter was ridiculous. So this is going to be kind of a little update on that, and to see, I don't know if you can see it here, but that tire is completely flat, and the one over there looks a little bit low. Also, so we're going to have some updates here. We got the Ford Explorer. I still think it has some timing chain problems, so I have not been driving it hardly at all, probably to its detriment. I do need to take a spin every now and then with it. But regardless, we're going to get that going. The battery's dead, so we'll get to see my jumper pack that I rebuilt from the Harbor Freight jumper pack over here. That's been working so far fine for me. I did notice, and I don't know if I got it in the video for the Desert Armor one, but I tried using that to make the Desert Armor air compressor work, and it did not kick on. I thought it was bad, so then I went and started up my truck, and it worked fine off of the truck battery. So I don't know if this just doesn't have enough oomph to put it out, if there's something in there that keeps it shut off because it doesn't want to run that, or if there's a safety on that because that battery's below a certain amount, it wouldn't kick on. But regardless, I did have a problem running it just from the jumper pack. So we are going to, first of all, use the jumper pack, and we're going to hopefully start this car here with the dead battery. Started right up. I suppose a lot of people aren't going to believe it, but I should have probably tried to start it before. But honestly, if you don't believe me and think I'm wasting my time doing this, I don't care. Alright, I got it hooked up to the rig here. I just got to hook it up to the tire, and we're going to start it and see. So I'm going to hook it up to the tire first and then turn it on, because this does not have the automatic shut off, and I haven't got to that. I plan on someday seeing if I can do that with this. We're gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna fast forward through this just to show you it can be done. If you want to watch a video on real time how long it takes, I'll put up another one right after this. You can go to my channel, go to products and reviews, it'll be in there somewhere. Here we go. According to that, there's absolutely nothing in there right now. And it's been sitting like this for at least several months, most of the winter. I haven't touched this since winter hit. It does appear to be leaking a little bit of air out of the valve there for some reason. That might be. Each one of these is 5 psi here, and it was right in the middle, so 25, 30, 35. 35 psi. I don't know how long that took. You can go ahead and check it out on my channel. Like I said, I'll just have a video of me blowing this thing up in real time. Well, it worked great. I didn't have to drag a hose out here. That thing's not too heavy. It wasn't hard to set up. So, so far, so good. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.